Hey, what's up all you Topaholics? This is Paul here, aka Polapusa, back with another video. So McDonald's introduced to us the McDonald's crossbody bag a couple of weeks back here in Singapore for just $14.90. I managed to grab one of those for about $11. That's because there was an ongoing promotion at the McDonald's app, and today we're gonna take a look at the internals, see how it functions as a day-to-day carry, and I'm also going to take the chance to go through with you some of the day-to-day carry stuff. We call it EDC, everyday carry, and some of these items is just because of COVID. So if you're interested in that, just stay tuned. So here it is, guys. This is the yellow version, and we call it the sesame seed version. There is another version that is the Big Mac and fries, and that would be the black version, which I'm gonna put a picture down here. Yep. So I was going to go for the black one, but then eventually decided for the yellow version because it had a white strap. I like the white strap better than the black and the yellow strap ones. Basically, it has just two compartments, one front compartment and a back compartment. Within those compartments, there are no internal compartments at all. Most of the fanny packs or the shoulder bags or the crossbody bags that I've seen, they feature internal compartments where you can really segregate things instead of lumping them just in one compartment. You could get better bags out there. The material is pretty good. The material feels like your canvas backpacks, but without those like mesh that you get, those sweat mesh, those mesh that you get at the back of backpacks. The strap itself is really sturdy. It's thick, it's double strap, and it feels really good quality. Now there's this loop here that serves no feature at all. It's basically to make the bag more vertical when you crossbody it. So really this loop here is the one that does the magic of a crossbody bag, where you sling it around like so, and it's flat instead of like at an angle, right? So that's how it works. Within all those compartments, it's just two compartments, right? You don't get the mini compartments, you don't get a slot for your coins, your keys, etc. That's basically it. However, I still pretty much like it. I think it's worth the money, but if you're looking for something more functional, you may want to consider other packs. And with that, guys, let's go through the stuff that I carry on a day-to-day basis. I just want to show you what I bring around. Of course, I have some wet tissues, good for killing germs. These are the Zappy ones that I've collected from several restaurants. If you don't have them, you can always buy this kind of mini wet tissues from Watson's. They work the same way as well, just to kill the germs on your hands if you need one. They come in pretty handy. Or you can use it to wipe table surfaces when you visit hawker centers, etc, etc. So I tend to carry a few around. I'm a smoker, so next item would be my ashtray. Guys, don't litter. It's bad for the environment, and also here in Singapore we carry a $300 fine if you just throw a cigarette butt on the streets. Don't waste unnecessary money. Carry something like that, a portable cigarette ashtray. You'll be able to dispose of the cigarette butts like so, simply opening it and slotting it in, and Bob's your uncle, right? Mine also opens up at the bottom, right? And this is where you empty out the trash. Or you can just open the top and just shake it out. That's it. Because I'm a smoker, I don't advocate smoking, guys. So yeah, but I do carry a spare lighter around. This is the Cricut lighter. I actually bought a pack of 50, and these are one of the best lighters in the market. They're easy to light. One click and it lights up. One click and it lights up. One of the most efficient lighters I can find in the market, apart from Bic. So I normally don't buy these outside. If you buy those outside, maybe $1.50, $2. I get it in a box of 50, and it merely cost me about $25 if I remember correctly. Links will be down below. Of course, I have my keys. All these goes into the front compartment, and because this doesn't have any smaller compartments, right? So I tend to carry a coin pouch, coin pouch to put my coins in. Otherwise, normally if I can have smaller compartments in my pouch, right, I would dump coins into a single compartment, and that will prevent the coins from scratching my stuff in my bag. I have a chip here. This is actually a chip that is at a local bar near to me. They usually have a set of 3 pints and they give out chips. So every time you use a chip, you get a pint. I couldn't finish the 3rd pint the other time I visit the bar. It's called Beer Basket. It's at Kovan. Nice place, do check it out. So I'm gonna use this in my next visit. Right at the side here, I have a carabiner as well. Then this carabiner serves as a purpose. You know, every time when you're out for food, eating, you don't wear your mask, you don't want to leave it on the table, it could be dirty. So I carry a carabiner where I could hook my mask on without touching any surfaces. So yeah, I like to actually have one of those hanging around. Otherwise, you can also go for a mask protector, and this mask protector actually can allow you to keep your mask in a sanitized manner. It works in a fairly simple manner. You keep your mask holder clean, you put the part touching your face against the mask protector, and then you fold it, bring out the straps, and then you hook it on, and Bob's your uncle, right? So that's where you hold your mask. Now remember, don't put the dirty surface, which is the exterior surface, onto the mask holder. Now if you do that, you have to clean this perpetually all the time, you know. Just put the clean one here, and that's it, you know. So that's your mask protector. So next thing, of course, we need to carry around a hand sanitizer. I carry something like this. This is by a local company called Sanista, and this is a spray that is water based. You know, you spray something on like this on your hands, and then you wipe it around, and that's it. 3 sprays, and this is water based sanitizer. It's pretty good and it smells nice, right? If you don't like the water based ones, you can actually get the gel ones. The gel ones looks like this. And this particular one is by Watson's itself. It comes with a handy hook where you can hook on the strap. That's it, right? You can hang it like so. Every time you need to use it, just open it and squeeze out the sanitizer itself, and basically that's it. So you can buy something like that, or you can use something like that. I particularly like this because it's cut size, it's flat, it's small, it's pretty handy as compared to this one hanging outside. So that's your hand sanitizer. I also carry a mint with me. I'm in a client facing role, so I always like to keep my breath fresh. So I actually carry some mint with me. This is Tic Tac, one of my favorites. And of course my wallet. I've stopped using traditional wallet for a long time now, after using this sort of wallet, which is a clip-on for the cash and then slot-in style for the cards. I don't carry a lot of cards with me. Just 3 or 4 will do. I'm very minimalistic in terms of my day-to-day carry, and it's been really useful to have such a tiny thing. If you don't have a shoulder sling bag, you put it in your pocket. This thing is real small. It's nice, it's durable. The strap has lasted me for close to about 4 or 5 years now, and it still hasn't given up. You know, this is the Rich wallet. If you're interested in that, links will be down below. I particularly like this kind of wallets right now, without the going back to the traditional, you know, men's wallet. And with that, guys, we've come to the end of the video. This is all the stuff that I carry on a day-to-day basis. It's not a lot, but some of this stuff is really because of COVID and some of the hacks that I find that are useful. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. I'll see you the next one. This is Paul here, signing off. Ciao.